It's an incredibly rare natural phenomenon. A fire tornado occurs when strong winds whip up bushfires into a spiral. This one happened in Brazil following weeks of drought. In fact, it's been 3 months since it last rained in Sao Paulo. The mini firestorm grew several meters tall and danced across the burning fields, bringing traffic to a standstill on a nearby road. As quick as it appeared, though, it dissolved into thin air. Firefighters are still struggling to contain the bushfires. Humidity levels in some areas are similar to those in the Sahara Desert.